This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make 4 Sigmatic mushroom coffee. Start by choosing 4 distinct Sigmatic blends and label cups, then measure a single scoop into each. Heat 8 Oz water per cup, whisk until frothy, and add milk or milk alternative to each cup. Sweeten to taste with honey or syrup, garnish as desired, and taste test while adjusting strength for each person. Gather tools like a kettle, small whisk or handheld frother, measuring spoon and 4 cups. Choose 8 Oz water per cup and a milk option for creaminess, plus sweetener and spices. Scoop 1 serving of each Sigmatic blend into its cup, then heat liquids just below boiling to preserve mushroom compounds. Froth or whisk to create a silky mouthfeel, taste each cup, and tweak sweetness or strength until happy. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during morning coffee rituals. They pair surprisingly well with cozy brews and long recipe tests. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab your favorite mug. Now let's get back to the video. Treat each cup like a small experiment and adjust quickly. Pair chocolatey blends with cocoa or cacao, pair chai notes with cinnamon and nutmeg, and keep delicate mushroom flavors light. If a cup tastes weak, add half a scoop and refroth. If too strong, add more milk or hot water. Write down your favorite ratios so you can repeat the best combinations easily for friends or future mornings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.